Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at an altcoin, the Sandbox, currently trading around $0.7. The Sandbox is ranked 53 on CoinMarketCap. In the last 1 week, the Sandbox is down 14.5%. On a yearly time frame, the Sandbox is down 78.6%. The Sand is battling a major bear market resistance level. We have seen it in this bear market rally getting to as high as $0.91. But right now, it looks as if we're gearing up to start dumping to Goblin Town. The Sandbox went from as low as $0.37 in December of 2022. We rallied up 145%, but we got rejected at that level. In this video, we're taking a look at the Sandbox US dollar price chart on a daily time frame. We'll also be looking at the Sandbox performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll also take a look at the Sandbox market cap, which currently sits around $1 billion. If we start dumping to Goblin Town, where are we going to find support? What's next for the Sandbox in the coming weeks and the coming days? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So all my returning subscribers, thanks for always supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys. If you're new to this channel and you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Altcoins there 2023 on a very bright note. We saw altcoins rallying up to higher prices. Right now, it looks as if we're getting to the end of that rally. Right now, it looks as if altcoins are gearing up for one huge dump to the downside. The Sandbox is down 14.4% in the last 1 week. In the last 1 month, Sand is down 4.2%. But the big one is that on the yearly time frame, Sand is still down 78.5%. This is the Sandbox US dollar price chart on a daily time frame. The Sandbox was one of the huge gainers in the previous bull market. The Sandbox was one of those altcoins that made a lot of millionaires. Altcoins are very volatile that way. We saw the Sandbox trading around the $0.035 level in 31st of December 2020. And guys, by November of 2021, just $1,000 invested in the Sandbox would have given you more than $200,000. Altcoins can pump really well to the upside that way, but at the same time, those altcoins can dump to Goblin Town. And the Sandbox has been dropping to Goblin Town ever since November of 2021. We have seen this altcoin dumping to Goblin Town very, very massively. We have seen the Sandbox lose more than 95% of its value in around 403 days, finally getting into the $0.37 region by 31st of November 2022. Finally getting to the $0.37 region by December 31st, 2023. But right now, it looks as if the relief rally we have had is coming to an end. We saw the Sandbox starting 2023 on a very bright note, pumping to higher prices, going up by more than 143%. But we have gotten to a critical bear market resistance level. Right now, the Sandbox has been rejected off the $0.91 region, currently trading below that level. If you take a look at what the Sandbox did in the past, in November, we also tried to rally above the $0.91 level and we got rejected at that region. But the Sandbox is at a very, very critical stage right now. The Sandbox is still around the $0.66 range. We have not gone below that level. Guys, if we start going below the $0.66 range, we might just see the Sandbox at some point in time, the bear market, coming back to test the $0.38 region. But deep in the crypto bear market, yes, we're going to have some rallies in the bear market, but at the same time, we're not naive to think those rallies will continue forever. In the bear market, you expect all coins to be dumping to Goblin Town. The last huge rally we saw in the Sandbox came in June of 2022, and that rally went up only by 83%. And we actually hit resistance there and stayed dumping to Goblin Town. From that level where we hit resistance, guys, we saw the Sandbox dump another 71%. So it's history repeating itself right now. We saw the pump, we saw distribution, and we saw markdown. Right now, we've seen the pump, we're seeing distribution from the $0.66 level to the $0.91 level. So are we going to see markdown? Are we going to see a pump that will carry us maybe to the $0.38 region? Or are we even going to set new lows in this bear market? Because guys, if you go on a larger time frame and you take a look at what the Sandbox is doing, we might still have one final dump to Goblin Town. We might still see the Sandbox at some point in time in this bear market get to as low as the $0.15 level. From the all-time high the Sandbox set in November of 2021, we saw it lose 95% of its value, getting to the $0.38 region If it's getting to the $0.15 region, the Sandbox will be down 98.23% from its all-time high. And with altcoins, that's very, very possible. With altcoins, they can still recover all those losses by the end of the next bull run. If the Sandbox is going to dump from where we're currently trading right now to the $0.15 level, guys, that will mean the Sandbox will have another 77% dump to the downside. We're deep in the bear market. In the bear market, you expect this kind of dumps to gobble town. The Sandbox is going through its first crypto bear market. This altcoin was launched in August of 2020, just right before we had our final phase of the pump to the upside for altcoins. Right now, it's having a huge dump in the bear market as expected. If you take a look at what the rest of the altcoins in the market is doing on a yearly time frame, they are also dumping to gobbling town. We saw them pumping in the bull market. Right now, they're giving back some of those gains to the market. But guys, deep in the bear market is where you want to be accumulating, getting ready for the next bull run. You don't want to get carried away by the pumps you are seeing on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, or also on a monthly time frame. You have to think long term. To survive to the end of the next crypto bull run, there's going to be a lot of dumps along the way. There's going to be a lot of chaos along the way. But long-term investors are going to be quietly accumulating deep in the crypto bear market. When we see the market heading towards extreme fear, more long-term investors will be accumulating, laying the foundation for the next crypto bull run. If you take a look at what the Sandbox has done in the last 1 month, we've seen it go from as low as $0.65 to as high as $0.93. The Sandbox has a market cap of over $1 billion, a fully diluted market cap of $2.1 billion, and a circulating supply of over 1.5 billion tokens. A maximum supply of 3 billion tokens, currently ranked 53 on CoinMarketCap. We have over 2.2 million people that have the Sandbox on their watch list. If you want to buy or sell the Sandbox tokens in the bear market as we're getting ready for the next crypto bull run, guys, you can do that on Binance, on BitTop, on KuCoin, on Coinbase Exchange, on Uniswap, on Kraken, on Bitstamp, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins. Remember, guys, you don't want to go all in if you're buying these altcoins. Remember, there's no guarantees that the bottom is in. A lot of people will start going all in if we see the Sandbox heading back to the $0.38 region. Guys, always remember, with altcoins, they can keep dumping to gobbling town. With altcoins, you want to pay attention and you want to dollar cost average, because if we continue going down to gobbling town and we get this opportunity of a lifetime to buy the Sandbox at the $0.15 level and you have gone all in, you won't have any capital on the side. From where we're currently trading right now, the Sandbox will need to go up by 1,000% to go back to the previous all-time high. But if you're one of those lucky investors that buy the Sandbox at the $0.15 level and it goes back to the previous all-time high, a $1,000 investment should have returned over $50,000 if we see the Sandbox ever trade around the $8 region. If you take a look at the Sandbox performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, we're still dumping to gobbling town since November of 2021. Even though we're having some rallies here and there, we had a rally in June where we saw the Sandbox outperform Bitcoin by 91%. We still continue dumping to gobbling town. Right now, we're having a rally that has seen the Sandbox outperform Bitcoin by 79%. And I still believe we'll continue dumping to gobbling town. Best case scenario, we'll come back to test the lows where we got to on the 1st of January 2023. Worst case scenario, we'll go to lower prices against Bitcoin in the bear market. All coins are known to be volatile against both Bitcoin and Ethereum in the bear market. In the bear market, people are scared. And when people are scared, they run towards safety. And that's why you might still see the Sandbox lose more value against Bitcoin and Ethereum deep in the crypto bear market. It's going to be hard for us to set new all-time highs against both Bitcoin and Ethereum in the bear market. I'll not expect that to happen for the Sandbox anytime soon. Maybe by the end of the next bull run. But guys, for you to survive in the bear market, you have to be very patient. You have to be accumulating because there's going to be a lot of dumps. At the same time, there's going to be a lot of fake pumps to the upside. The Sandbox market cap currently at $1 billion is currently at a crucial support level, guys. If we lose this $1 billion level, we might just see the Sandbox market cap heading back to the $500 million region. If that doesn't prove to be the bottom, then let's get ready for gobbling town. The Sandbox market cap can easily drop to as low as $100 million. In the bear market, crazy things happen. But right now, if the Sandbox can hold this major support, we might just see it find a way to rally itself back up to maybe the $1.8 billion level. But right now, we're setting lower highs. And after lower highs, will come lower lows. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Where do you see the Sandbox heading to in the coming weeks and in the coming months? Do you think we're going to get to as low as the $0.15 level at any point in this bear market? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay you off more than educating yourself, and investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too greedy. Don't get too scared. See you guys in my next video.